We're going to have a conversation about fear and how it's holding you back in life and overall quality of life. Fear is natural and healthy feeling that we all have. It's what helps us stay safe. Our brains are programmed with the fight or flight instincts. But when fear starts to affect our lives in a negative way, it can be very difficult to overcome. Fear is something that holds us back in life and overall quality of life. Fear can make you miss out on opportunities or stop you from living your life to the fullest. Fear can make you feel like things are not going to go your way or that everything will go wrong and can stop you from having life changing experiences because you are worried about what might happen, which makes it a barrier for many people when it comes to starting their own business or even pursuing your dreams. Fear should not stop you from living your best life, but rather motivate you to do the things that are scare you the most, right? Just like anything else, exercise your fear response muscles to build up a tolerance for the fear. Once you build your that tolerance for the fear, you will break down many barriers in your life and can start to live the life that you and your family deserve. You can do the activities that are necessary to take your existence to the next level. You will start to say yes to things that you used to say no to. You can make the money you are destined to because now you will take the risks that are necessary to make those necessary achievements. Like start that business you always wanted to do, learn that new skill you always wanted to learn about, make those investments in yourself that the skill you told you couldn't afford. Trust me, life is great on the other side of fear. I know because I once lived life with fear. And once I exercised those mental and emotional muscles, my life changed dramatically and your life will too. So if this is you and you're looking to change your position in life, I'm here to help you. You're not alone, and we are growing in numbers. We support and push each other daily. We share ideas and encouragement. We are a community. The first step I took in my change was that I knew I needed freedom. I need to be my own boss. And the quickest step in this journey was learning how to make money online. I've put together an ebook toolkit, which outlines the basic steps necessary to get you moving in that direction. Man, I wish I had something like this when I first started. I really do. But I'm going to share this with you for free over this holiday weekend. So just click the link in the description of this video or comment toolkit, and I'll share it with you for free. Also, for more support, follow me or for more information on how to make money online and how to start to gain your independence and freedom on this holiday weekend, follow me. Thank you.